Mindful eating. Sorry, but when the craving comes, we really don't think logically of, oh my god, portion control, how much we have to eat or how many calories. So for those who have some eating disorders, unfortunately, I don't think that mindful eating would work before you actually understand the rules of how to nourish your body. So the first thing, you have to actually put the right ingredients in your body. Also create a healthy relationship with food. Only then, only after, we can talk about mindful eating, where you actually feel what you want to eat and also how much you want to eat.